make this cool butterfly craft.
That was perfect, baby.
Wait, were we really filming?
Yeah, we're really filming now.
The materials you need are leaves. You can collect real leaves from outside, or you can cut out leaves, your choice. A pencil or a crayon, but you also need a black Sharpie and scissors, glue. You also need a few different types of pastas. This type of pasta for the cocoon, this bow tie pasta for the adult butterfly. These tiny little pastas that look like rice. And then you need these swirly slide pastas for the caterpillar. And then you have to go outside and hunt for a little stick like this. Let's start with the Sharpie. Put it down and across. Cut out leaves. And then, ta-da! Put a drop on each, just a hit. And then put it on. Make sure part of it is touching the stick like this. Put little, just the antennas, and then you take your bow tie macaroni, use your glue. After that, you fix it on, and then, ta-da! You're almost done though. There's one more step. You have to write the words. Eggs, caterpillar, chrysalis, and then adult butterfly. And then you're done. Well, bye! I hope I see you in another craft.